Welcome to a new video. Thanks for the coffee, all you members. So what are we going to do today? Well, we are shooting an orange wedge, but it's not that exciting, so we need to spice it up. And I have water and some mustard powder. I have no idea how this will go. Let's give it a go. We have a background. We have the orange wedge on a fork, and I stick it from the back so it will hide, and I'm a bit lower so it will be like a hero shot, like one flash, one pro photo monolight up here hitting the orange, and also the background, hard light, small light source, and then I have a mirror here that will crisp up the surface of the orange wedge. Canon R5C with the 100mm macro lens. I have a pocket wizard connected to the trigger port. So let's take a shot. I put the camera on high speed burst mode or something, so there will be a greater chance to capture a great shot when, you know. So it would be something like this. And up there you can see the shot. They're coming in to capture one, and we're shooting tethered, you know, Area 51 USB-C cable goes into the computer, and then we can see what we're doing. We can turn off the modeling light on this one. Are we ready? I think so. By the way, thanks for the coffee, all the members of this channel and Patreons. They support this channel so I can keep making videos. I love you all. Thanks a million, coffee supporters. We can start with some water, I think, like this. Oops. I will pick the best images and put them together in Photoshop. We can try a bit from this side too. It's always fun with splash photography because you never know what you get, really. While the images are coming in, I can explain why I'm shooting at ISO 1600. When I want to freeze motion with this strobe, I need to be on low power. I think I'm on power 4 now. And when we're shooting at this low power, we need to up the ISO, otherwise the picture will be too dark. I don't want to change the aperture. We're shooting at f13. I want to have a great depth of field, so the splashes will be in focus, you know, not blurry. Okay. Mustard powder everywhere. Okay, we'll see if I will use any of this mustard. Maybe it will look crazy. I will put all the splash photos together. We'll see. Maybe I use the powder, but I doubt it. So, thank you for watching. Hit that like button if you find this useful, and subscribe if you like. And remember, I will see you next